what is inside this box? Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining me. If you're new, my name's Samantha. I go by Thrifty on a Dime on all social media platforms. My channel is based on different tips and tricks to make money, whether you're looking for part-time, full-time, or maybe just for some extra cash. So before you do leave, be sure you subscribe and hit that little bell icon. It'll just alert you whenever I do produce new content and let you know when that video is released. Today is a unboxing from some more FLYP inventory I just received. I won another lot and I decided I want to unbox it for you guys. And then I also have a question. Would you like to see the entire process of getting free inventory from FLYP? Meaning bidding on the lots, then after you bid on the lots, once you win the lot, and the shipping process and listing process, and then how you pay out the clients. So if you'd like to see a video like that, please do comment below. But yeah, this video is basically going to show you what I got from one of the sellers on the site. Now I can spot another reseller pretty well, and I'm pretty sure this person is a reseller, and my suspicions were kind of found true whenever I saw that it came in a thrown-up box. So more than likely this person is definitely a reseller. But yeah, let me go ahead and get started. So this first piece is standard James purse, per se. And it's just a cardigan, a super long cardigan. It's not washed out, but it is black, so you know the ring light, I'm sure, is making it look gray. And this is a size 1. This is a swimsuit by Nip Tuck Swim. It's a cute onesie swimsuit. I don't know if you call it onesie. That's more like a baby term. It's not a bikini. I guess onesie. I don't know. Yeah, it's a cute swimsuit. Okay, so we got some boots via Stiga. I am super glad that she bagged these up so they didn't get any damage. So hopefully when I pull both of them out, they don't. Oh, yep, see, I'm pretty sure that is a Plato's tag. But that's kind of cool because she's sourcing, she's able to source, and maybe she's not able to list. So this was just a filler. This is a fila. It might not get much, but that's okay because some of the other items will. So I did bid 50%. So 50% goes to her, 50% goes to me. This is a Findz piece. It's a size small. It's a extremely long dress, and I'm in my bedroom, so I can't get the whole thing, but it's a beautiful long dress by Findz again. And that is a really good brand. These are some All Saint booties. Yeah, those would be considered booties. And they're really good shape. This is a Show Me Your Moo piece. This actually does really well reselling. It's a very, very long blue maxi dress. This is a pair of Steve Madden wedges, espadrilles. What is this? I like that she put some of the stuff in bags, that's for sure. Okay, this is a St. John's piece. Now, I was worried because it is white, so hopefully I don't catch anything. Ooh, look how pretty. Yes, that is how pretty it is. And this is a size medium. And I think I did find it. No, okay. It's just a fuzz from the box. That's a good thing. Okay, so she had those shoes in bags too, but they did bust open. This is just blowfish, just some sandals. These won't sell for that much, but again, some of these other pieces is why I bid it on the lot. So these were sandals. They'll sell quick. It's almost summer. Vince Camuto. And this is just a cute pink blush blouse. Oh, it's new with tags too. That's cool. Did not know that. I probably did. I just didn't really read. Franco Sarto. Okay, so this one does have a little bit more wear, and it's not a brand that I would typically resell. So I just accepted it in the lot because you are approved better if you accept all items in the lot. But I will let her know that this did have some damage, and I won't be listing it because I don't list items like that in my closet anymore. Okay, there's the other boot. And another pair of shoes. What is this? Spring Step. So another pair of Spring Step slides. It's real leather. Again, perfect for summer. Not a huge dollar item, but a quicker flip. Okay, this is Free People. I think it's Intimately Free People. And it's just a, not a bodycon. What do you call these things? A bodysuit. That's what I'm thinking of. So this is an extra small bodysuit, but it does have a makeup stain. Where was it? I can't see. Oh, right here. It does have a small makeup stain, so hopefully I can get that out. And that was everything in this lot. So again, guys, it's an app called FLYP, and what's great about it is this is a smaller lot, so this will be easy to list. I really feel like it's going to be probably an hour's worth of work. So it's inventory I didn't have to pay for, and I only have to pay as it sells. So yeah, if you're interested in downloading the app, be sure you do use code Thrifty on a dime. And until my next video, be sure you go check me out over on Instagram at Thrifty on a dime, and hit that little subscribe button and the bell next to it. I look forward to my next video with you guys. Have a great day.